Hey everybody, this is Texas Danny, and I'm coming to you from early Saturday AM on February the 6th, 2021, here in Texas, Central Standard Time, United States of America, this version. I want to kind of get with everybody real quick because Earth is kicking it in, right? She's going atomic silver. That's right, she's going atomic silver. She is very, very fast and she's very, very vibrant. She's doing a thing. Right now, we have massive changes everywhere on Earth. Okay. Now, regardless of the model, whatever you believe, if you believe it's a flat Earth, the diagonal Earth, the donut Earth, the spheroid Earth, fractal Earth, whatever, look at everything that's going on right now and take a look at your environment and your surroundings. Now, please keep in mind that where I'm at, I'm kind of locked down pat. It's like if this place doesn't want you going anywhere, you're not going nowhere, right? It'll be this, it'll be that, it'll be something, right? You're going to be staying put. Now, what I'm seeing, everybody, is of course tremendous activity with anything involving water. Okay, and of course we're going to pick this up going north central. We're going to center Greenland. Okay, and of course, that's everything around Greenland is going to be affected, and we're going to be drawing in like a magnet. Okay, we're reducing in scope. This is like a spheroid that's collapsing and going into a kind of a rotoscope motion. Okay, so you have things going in every possible direction. You have environmental changes that are extremely, extremely deft, finessed, and effervescent in their action. Like they're transparent as they're not being able to be grasped to be seen. They're very, very deft. The motions of the mechanics of the technology, the science, or the spirituality, or the magic, or whatever you want to come up with, is really going at it. I'll give you an example right now. We have the situation, of course, with the Nordics, with Northern Russia, with the UK. You can go all the way down past the Mediterranean to the northern part of Africa. You can swing over to northern South America, Mexico, the United States, the Gulf Coast, Texas, where I'm at, the western United States, North America on the western side of Canada. All these things are in action. All these things are in movement. Um, I'm going to give you a couple of special designated areas to take place right now. Southeast Utah. Southeast Utah is very, very active. We have new results in Southeast Utah and Northeast Arizona, okay, which is going to affect everything. We've got Tucson has moved into quantum territory. Tucson has now moved into quantum territory. We still have Los Angeles in the situation and San Diego. Southern California is in the situation because of the eastern movement of the North American continent. You have the situation also taking place with central Mexico, uh, around Monterey. You've got Mexico City. You've got the Caribbean, and you've got Florida and the Bahamas. Florida is pivotal right now because she's moving on east and she's got a lot of activity all around Florida. Okay, there's a lot of water in Florida, just like there's a lot of water in Vancouver Island, British Columbia. So these two are like constantly quantum tweaked. H2O, everybody, is a factor in the design. Okay, water is a factor in the design of all of this. It is helping the design evolve. Okay, and the movements are there and they're happening. We have a situation now with Central Long Island. Central Long Island is now in a little bit of a further declination. We have an issue around the Finger Lakes in New York. We have Pennsylvania now kind of moving over because of the changes to the strata in there taking place. We have the Texas coast moving out along with Louisiana, because of the situation with the Western United States, with Western North America, is now moving out, right, further east. So what's happening, everybody, is everything is in movements everywhere. South America has major movements. We're going to start seeing the Amazon really go at it. We're going to start seeing northern, southern South America really in action. Okay, the eastern side of Brazil is really starting to stretch out, and those water areas are opening because you've got the Barbados track heading out. You've got uh, the Central Islands. The Central Islands, that's between past Argentina, going out into Antarctica. Okay, everybody, and going out towards Africa. What I call the Angolan Plate or the Angola Tract is being pulled in, and the Eastern African Rift is now starting to have a major twist, and it's going right up into Giza. Okay, it's really active into Giza, and we're seeing some more water coming in there, and we're seeing a lot of action all throughout that area. Now, these are taking place in quantum movements of time. I am out of my normal sync of observation because I am somebody who my claim is to be a quantum jumper from June 2016. The version of my memory pattern and my anatomy and everything else like that is from a different Earth. Okay, a very, very close Earth, but still different. Perhaps just an evolving Earth, a changing Earth. Same place exactly. We are situated with multiple movements with extreme depth technology, sophistication of an unbelievable sort, in which we may be even being slingshotted through quantum black holes, right? In time and space. That's a theory. There's a lot of things going on right now. I will tell you this, because of the movements of coming up into Utah, and there are tremendous changes into the central tracts of Utah, and especially now that southeast corner, okay, that has evolved and is opening up there. It's all because of the movements of Mexico, the Yucatan Peninsula, the Gulf of Mexico, Texas, everything from North and South Dakota down. Let me go through this. North and South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas now have a significant shift of terrain changes because of quantum activity has moved. The western continental divide of the United States of America is moving east. This is having its impact on the Gulf of California, Baja California, which is much, much longer in this reality compared to my old reality. You have Mexico City going down in elevation. You've got Mexico going off east as well. You've got northern South America now is shallowing out, and there's going to be a lot of activity going in there. I am somebody who, in around, say, circa 2011, saw the quantum changes to Argentina. For example, on television and that kind of thing like that. Uh, where I was, I did not pay particularly good, strong attention to the situation, but I was aware of some of the events that they would say about mind boggling events and stuff like that that were happening to the Argentinian coast. Okay. Now, with our situation with Antarctica, which I won't go into details, right? As we come into a canvas rotation, and we have those umbrellas now opening up, right? And we have the canvas coming around. We're starting to have our plates ready for interlocking, okay? And they're going to rotate, and we're going to be moving into our areas, and they're going to be kind of a swift deal, okay? So the thing to look for, of course, is water. All your coastal areas, anything doing with ice, things are involved with the transformation of Earth. Whether we're jumping from Earth to Earth, which is debatable, or we're in transformations of Earth, our changes are dramatic, and they're moving along, and they're in a pattern of rotation. Look for Northern Russia, the Nordics, the UK, Canada, Alaska. Every body of water on this earth is going to be impacted. Every landmass is going to be impacted. We're in for some big rides. Texas Danny out.